From Iconic MetalGear, showing you the Gullwing toolbox that we manufactured. This one here is finished in a matte black, natural aluminum below it. This is UV protected also against sun fading. All of our products are made out of 1/8 aluminum. This box is all 1/8 aluminum, marine grade aluminum actually. So it's very, it's twice as thick as what you find at the box store. So if you want to zoom in, I'll show you some of the other features on the box. Handles are T-handles, all stainless, lock, key to light, lockable. We use an 80-pound gas shock, so it's very good for wintertime, summertime. It's got lots of power. It'll work either season. We also put a nice thick automotive bulb seal all the way around it, even along the back. So this is really good. I had this in my truck for 3 months, a box like this, and I never had any water issues, and I go through the car wash all the time. We put a edge trim along the perimeter of the box and also on the inside here, so it's very soft to the touch. Kids can go in there, they're not going to cut their hands, there's nothing sharp in there. We also put a nice 1/4-inch rubber bottom on it. Just keeps the sound down of things moving around, and it also keeps them in place. That's a nice feature in there. This box mounts to different full-size trucks, and it's adjustable. These adjustable slots allow you to mount it in those trucks, so it's a universal product. The mounting kit is no drill, so it just hooks under the bed rails. You tighten it down. Comes with some weather stripping, some rubber weather stripping to protect against your truck, so you don't have to damage your truck. You lease a truck, you can pull the box out, move it over, pull it out if you need the whole truck box. So it's nice and universal that way. So there you have it. That's our Gullwing toolbox. Visit our website, iconicmetalgear.com, for more information.